Hello, this is Chelsea Darnell-Jong, and the purpose of this video is to cover the different activation types for ENERCALC. So here we can see our activation window, and I can see at the top here, I have two types of internet activation that I can choose from. I can either choose indefinite on this computer, or automatic when launching and closing the app. Now, the indefinite option is ideal for single users or organizations with enough seats for each engineer on their team. With the indefinite option, this computer will occupy a seat indefinitely. That means that the next time I open ENERCALC on this computer, internet connectivity won't be required to ensure that a seat is available. This is the easiest way to keep your computer activated indefinitely. I'd like to note that our default license includes 2 seats, providing single users with the flexibility to use ENERCALC in 2 locations. For example, you could use the software on a computer at the office and another at home, or keep one computer activated indefinitely while also accessing the cloud version of the software. On the other hand, if you're a larger organization and you've got a certain number of seats for the software, and you're sharing those among a larger pool of computers, then you need to be able to return those activations when the software is closed so that someone else can grab a seat and activate an installation. And that's where the automatic method shines. This is going to allow users to share seats and pool from a pool of licenses when they are available. If you ever find yourself in a situation where all of your seats are occupied, you can deactivate another computer by using this View Deactivate Another Computer button. If you'd like more information on that process, please check out the video linked in the description below. The final activation option we see on this window is manual activation. Manual activation should only be used in unique circumstances where something is blocking the internet communication that's required for one of the internet activation methods. Most users will be selecting one of these 2 activation options, and these are the recommended options because they allow you to share your ENERCALC seats with multiple computers. If you're having problems with internet activation, or if you have any questions about the activation types, please contact us at support@enercalc.com and let us know what's going on. Thanks for watching and have a great day.